First, support the frame per manufacturer's recommendations. Ignoring this could lead to permanent injury or death. Retract the jack you intend to replace the pulpit on. Depending on how much clearance you have, removing the footpad may be necessary to allow more room to maneuver for the next step. You can remove it by disengaging the snap pin and pulling it out to remove the footpad. With the footpad free, we can now pull the pull pin back and remove the drop leg from inside the inner leg of the jack. Use a socket to remove the nuts from the back side of the pull pin carriage bolts and pull the entire assembly free. To install the new pull pin, slide the side with the handle into the hole on the jack leg first. Then, place the rear bracket in place over the pin on the back side. Insert the two carriage bolts to sandwich the assembly together. Once the bolts are in place, start the nuts on the back side by hand to help prevent cross-threading. To finish securing the bolts in place, use a drill and socket to tighten the nuts down until the bracket is held firmly in place. Do not over-tighten and deform the rear plate when tightening, as this could pinch the pull pin and make operation difficult. Slide the drop leg into the inner leg by pulling the pin back and secure it in the same position as when you removed it. Then, replace your footpad and secure it with the snap pin. Lower the landing gear back to the ground. Once the jacks are again taking the weight of the unit, lower and remove the jack stands from the unit.